Tamar is preparing an operation. Operation Water Filters. Good morning! Another beautiful day in Baja. And it's hot, but the mornings and evenings are starting to cool off. Right now it is hot in the sun. And Tamar's got his work uniform on.
So the first thing I needed to do was to identify which hose was which, or the direction of the flow of water. This is the water that is going to the house, so I need to put it in here. But the way it's built right now, I don't want to put the filter here. I need to mount it to the wall. So I'm gonna disconnect this, cut this off here, face it that way so I can mount everything to the wall. So let's hope at the end of this, I don't have to call a plumber.
And did you catch all that? Where what's going where and what you cut, what's getting cut? Back to you, Mark. You like that? Yeah. Mark again.
All right, so first things first, that you have to be witness to, well, is me cutting. I'm guessing I should cut this. I should probably have a tape measure too, because I need to know the distance. Whatever. Just start cutting.
But first, turn off the water.
I did. There's no turning back now. Next, I need to remove this. See if I can do this without stripping it. Oh, perfect. All right, easier than I thought.
Oh my God.
And I'm guessing there's a pressure relief valve somewhere in here.
You have stuff all over your face, like it was sprayed out a bunch of concrete. It must have been in there.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, because that's why the line kept getting clogged. Yeah, because it was coming up through there.
So we did have our cisterns professionally cleaned a couple days ago because it was not clean at all and it was sucking up a bunch of stuff on the bottom, so it needed to be cleaned. And there was wood pieces in there that we took out.
When I walk in, they're gonna be like, what is he screwing up now? 'Cause I go in all the time and I ask for something, and we'll see how it goes. I got a bag of goodies. All right, let's go home and see how this fits together. All right, so this is the PVC cement. And I got enough, so I'm gonna lather it on. Just slap this bad boy on right here. And that's that. Let's see how much I need. It's in there. So far, so good. It's like playing Tetris. Or in the future, in case you need to disconnect these, it is a quick disconnect. So it just comes apart like that. So the good thing about doing this as well is I won't need to put any additional, like when I'm cutting the PVC pipe to attach these, I won't need to do anything extra because this sleeve, it slides off. So it literally just sits flush. So I'm actually happy that I didn't buy the extra 1-inch pipe, because after I put all this together, it's pretty long. I didn't expect it to be this long, so I think I'll have more than enough left over. I got everything set up. It's about as level as I'm gonna get it, being a non-professional at this. And you can tell that end right there is a little bit crooked, but I think for the most part, it's good to go. Obviously, I haven't done a check yet, so that'll be next. You know that feeling you get when you get done doing something and you are 100% positive you are correct, and then as soon as you tighten that last bolt, all of a sudden something just clicks and you start second guessing yourself? That's where I'm at right now. because I'm positive, I'm 100% positive this leads to the house. 100% positive. Or should I say, this line goes to the house. But what I am not 100% positive of is the direction in which it goes to the house. And that matters because these, the in is there, the out is there, the in is there, and the out is there. I'm second guessing myself. And then something clicked. Just turn on the damn pump. Plug it in. And you'll see which way it flows. There it is. So now I'm gonna check the shutoff valve to make sure that that's working properly. So far, so good. Yeah. And just like that, we're done. I'll just have to do the opposite side, but won't bore you with watching that one, but it's pretty much the same thing on the opposite side. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can be notified next time I make a video of me screwing something up. Hasta luego. Adios.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.